The need for coders has been increasing in recent years, and this trend is expected to continue as more companies adapt to digitalization and automation. With advancing technology, skilled coders who can create and maintain software applications, websites, and digital products will be in constant demand. Pursuing a career in coding can be both profitable and highly sought after in this context. In the coding field, there are diverse job opportunities that cater to different interests and skill sets. Some examples include roles like software developers, front-end developers, back-end developers, full-stack developers, mobile developers, cybersecurity specialists, DevOps engineer, and many more. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for software developers in the United States is around $120,000 per year. In India, the average salary is 7 lakhs per annum. By gaining expertise in coding, you open doors to potential employment opportunities at well-known companies such as Microsoft, Google, Oracle, Netflix, LinkedIn, IBM, and Adobe. Hi everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today, we will explore the best coding bootcamp that will serve as your guide in navigating the path towards a successful career in software development.
Successful coding relies on critical factors such as technical skills, problem-solving abilities, attention to detail, and continuous learning. These are the crucial elements that contribute to effective coding practices. So now, let's explore a few more essential factors in coding. So first we have accuracy. Writing precise and error-free code is crucial to ensure the program functions as intended. Next, efficiency. Writing efficient code that optimizes resources such as memory and processing power is essential for smooth and fast execution. And then we have problem solving. The ability to analyze problems, break them down into smaller components, and come up with a practical solution is a fundamental skill in coding. And next, logical thinking. Coding requires logical thinking to organize code, implement algorithms, and create logical structures. Next, creativity. Coding often requires creative thinking to develop innovative solutions, user-friendly interfaces, or unique algorithms. And at last, debugging. The ability to identify and fix errors or bugs in the code is an essential skill to ensure the program functions correctly. A coding bootcamp is often a brief, intensive training course created to assist students in becoming qualified for a position as a software developer. It focuses on the essential elements of the coding and enables students to use those aspects right away to address problems in the real world. With our cutting-edge Caltech coding bootcamp, you can learn to code and become a full-stack developer. Immerse yourself in our advanced coding bootcamp to develop into a valuable software engineer equipped to handle any challenges at work. This bootcamp offers Caltech's academic excellence, Caltech Campus Connect, comprehensive career services, and hands-on experience. Beginning with the fundamentals and working your way up to the more complex aspects of full-stack web development, this Caltech coding bootcamp will assist you in mastering both front-end and back-end Java technologies. In this online coding bootcamp, you will learn Angular, Spring Boot, web services, JSPs, and MongoDB to help you start your career as a full-stack developer. The skills that are covered in this course include Agile, Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Angular. Along with the skills, it also covers tools and techniques like Angular, Docker, HTML, Maven, Java, MySQL, AWS, and many more. Along with industry projects like the food delivery industry, entertainment industry, healthcare industry, and many more amazing projects. This Caltech coding bootcamp has benefited many aspiring software developers and professionals. Some of them have shared their testimonials. You can look at their feedback on the course page, the link to which is in the description box below. The next cohort is starting soon. To know more about this intensive training program, which impacts job-ready skills and prepares you for a career as a software developer, check out the link below in the description box. With this, we have come to the end of this Best Coding Bootcamp for 2023. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. If you need any help opting to this course, please let us know in the comment section below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.